Hello. In this video, I'm going to go over navigating Google Classroom, as well as how to find your students' assignments and get on a Google Meet. When your student logs into the Chromebook, the first page that they're taken to is called our Clever Portal. On the Clever Portal, you should see a section called Launchpad Links. Under Launchpad Links, you're going to find the tile for Google Classroom. It's right here. It's this yellow and green chalkboard, and it says Google Classroom underneath it. You're going to click on Google Classroom, and it will take you to your available teacher pages. You should have your Homeroom teacher page, and there may also be some small group pages if your class is using small groups. So I am going to click on 3A, Mrs. Piggins' Homeroom, because I want to work on my assignments for that class and also join the Google meeting. So after I've clicked on 3A, Miss Piggins' Homeroom, it's going to take me to the class stream for the class. The class stream page can have announcements from the teacher, and students can also ask questions here. On this side, you can see any upcoming assignments and assignments that are due tomorrow. In the top bar here, you should find the Google Meet link. If it's one of your scheduled live times, either with Mrs. Piggins or one of your specials teacher, the Meet link will be active. By clicking on the Meet link, it starts taking me to Google Meet and will allow me to join the meeting. When I'm done with the meeting, I close the tab and it takes me back to Google Classroom. During my asynchronous time, I want to go up and find the Classwork tab at the top of my screen. When I click on Classwork, I can find that there is assignments for week 2, which is September 21st through 25th, and they are sorted by days of the week. So I need to find assignments that are due today or tomorrow that I need to work on. When I look at an assignment, I need to click on the assignment and then click View Assignment so I can see all of the directions. So here, Miss Piggins put directions for her assignment. And over here, there is a Google Doc where I can work on an assignment. When I finish an assignment, I'll hit this blue turn-in button to let the teacher know that I've finished my work. And then I can come back to the top bar here, and it takes me back to the class stream when I click on Miss Piggins' name. I can then go back to Classwork and find other assignments. Your teachers may also be using Dreambox for some of your assignments. If you have an assignment in Dreambox, you need to go back to the Clever Portal, which is the screen that you first saw when you logged in. You can click on the Clever Portal tab in the top left side of your screen, and then you're going to find the tile for Dreambox. It's right under Launchpad Links. It's the green and blue letter D. There will also be assignments using Classkick. There'll be a separate video for how to log into Classkick posted soon. If you have any questions about what assignments you're supposed to be working on or how to complete an assignment, please reach out to your child's classroom teacher, and they will let you know what assignments you're supposed to be working on for the day and how to complete them.